1987 Morgan 41 Classic. Got something, piece of tape or something. Right up on the bow. Right there. And then there's a good chip right there. She definitely could use a bottom paint. Walk the rest of the way around. We look at this boat in July of 2023, and then we come back to it again in August, just prior to a sea trial. So this has clips from both in it, both visits. You see? Yeah, it looks like she needs a bottom paint. She needs new zincs. I'm Kelly, and he's Dwight, aka the Pirate Man and the Winch. We go chasing sunsets and sunrises on all of our adventures. One of my favorite photos to capture.
I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be.
As you can see, we have fun wherever we go. Our dream is to find our own boat so we can tour the world, sailing around. Come join us on our adventures. Meet Integrity. She is a 1987 Morgan 41. It's called a Morgan Classic. She is full keel. Trying to watch where I walk because there's anchor tie downs everywhere. Everything's put on the hard for hurricane season. She is a single mast, not catch rig. She has center cockpit. She needs a little touch up here and there on the bottom, but her overall looks pretty good. We do a sea trial and survey in a couple of days. So as you can see, she has solar. She has a hard Dodger, full enclosure, wind generator, and a dinghy, and a swim platform. So she has some upgrades, and so we're excited. Let's get on board. Alright, we're up on the top deck. We have a good anchor. Not sure what brand. She's got a swivel chain, windlass. We have a head sail. We have a line that goes to rigging that goes to right here that allows for a stay sail. We have 3 hatches. There's the mast. Wind meter. This thing has the hardtop Dodger with steps to get up and down, and then of course you have your handholds for getting around. Then it has a full bimini enclosure. I really like that hardtop though, and the steps. And then you have the handholds all the way around it. diesel and water on this side, and the same on the other. And all our lines lead to the cockpit. This is the aft. We have 2 seats for sitting, and radar, wind generator, solar, storage bags, a magma grill. It has a swim platform off the back, and then it has the anchor for the engine, and solar vents, and a hatch for the aft cabin. Come into the cockpit. This is the cockpit. Looking out, the glass is really good. Engine controls. There's a nice big cockpit. And we have all of our controls. Chart plotter, wind, speed, depth, engine and generator, and then there's our autopilot. We have this winch on this side. We have another 2 winches, one behind us, one here, and it's set up to have a tablet, and we have VHF here. Wow, you could put a... Huh, are they good?
Good winches, yeah.
And look, you sit down on that, put a cushion up there. I said it's completely enclosed, or you can roll it up. And the window here. Very nice, roomy cockpit.
Almost 3.5 persons, okay. For 857 pounds.
Okay.
Why not?
How many pounds?
857.
3 solar panels. The dinghy. You have a wind vane. Marine radar. Little rear cockpit seats. Swim platform. Magna grill. This is the aft cabin. We have storage all around. We have locker. The cruise air AC is in this locker. And then of course you have storage, deep storage here. Put my thermostat back through. And you have storage all the way around. Have 2 drawers, and then you have a hanging locker here, and drawers there, and then you have, this is a wet head, but it does have this separate shower with seat. Not very big, but big enough with some storage, and they're manual pump toilets, some shower drain pump. Then we come through the walkway, and we have a workbench area and access to the engine room. And it has a Westerbeek generator and a sound dampener. And all looks good and dry. All our controllers have the full control panel. We have drawers here and storage here. Nav station with AIS and your VHF, and you have your smart controller for the autopilot remote. Not sure if the ice maker's staying with the boat. But then we have our kitchen galley, and has shallow cabinets here, fridge and freezer, and then you have your another charge control module for the wind generator. We have deeper storage up here. Has a microwave and a toaster oven. And of course we have the gimbaled stove and oven here. Doesn't look like the oven's been used very much. Alright, 3-burner stove. Storage here, lots of counter space, several drawers. Then we come into the main saloon. There's storage behind and doors. And you have storage behind the seat cushions, storage under the seat cushions. Same on this side. Table raises up with drawers in it. You have a huge hanging locker behind this door. I'll show you from the other side. And then this is the V berth, and we have sail bags, and we have extra sails. And then this is the huge hanging locker with storage above it, the chain locker, and then this head is you can access from the V berth or the salon. It is a wet head, manual toilet, and so we're excited to get our sea trial and survey done and see what we find out.